Nice to see you again. Today I will reveal to you an extremely useful invention for our lives. Please watch the entire video to see the steps I took to create it. First, I used 3 cans of soda. Use a knife to cut off the top and bottom of the can. Note, this can is very thin, so be careful as it can easily cut your hand. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. After a short time, I had cut 3 cans. Next, I will join the cans together. Do the same with the 3rd can. Note, do it meticulously to create the highest aesthetics. What I am making, it will be air duct of a machine, so the joints need to be as tight as possible. Next, I used a 20-liter plastic water tank. I will drill a hole in the bottom of the barrel as wide as a soda can. Note, hold the drill firmly as it is difficult to use. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I continued using the saw to cut off the top of the water tank. Note, cut in a circle around the mouth of the water tank. I will keep the cut end of the water tank. Next, I cut open another soda can and still removed the top and bottom of the can. Use scissors to cut one side of the can. Use your hands to extend the cut end of the tube. Then put the can into the mouth of the water barrel. Use screws to secure the can to the top of the water tank. Do the same with the remaining parts. You should do it tactfully. Next, I used a piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to use it to wrap around the mouth of the tube I just made. Use scissors to cut off excess foil. Do the same with the other end of the tube. Next, I use tape to wrap around the foil. In this part, you also have to be very careful. Do the same with the remaining foil. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Next, I will attach the mouth of the water tank to the can tube. I would still use tape to stick them together. I have made myself a very aesthetic air duct mouth. Next, I will place the air tube into the plastic container. Then use hot glue to secure the air pipe to the plastic barrel. Do the same with the air pipe at the bottom of the plastic tank. Next, I will make a base for the plastic crate and hot glue it on. I use an additional PC fan to blow air into the computer. I continued to use glue to attach it to the mouth of the plastic barrel. I used a saw to make a door on the back of the plastic crate. Next, I took the battery tray and glued it to the plastic bin. I will connect the battery tray wire to the computer fan. Note, I use an extra switch for the computer fan. I used hot glue to attach the switch to the plastic box. Next, I used 3 batteries and installed them in the tray to test how the fan worked. When I turned on the switch, the fan started spinning. Looks like I did it right. When the computer fan runs, it will blow air through the box, and the air will be blown out the other end. Now it's time to test how the cold air blower I just built works. I will use masking tape to tape a small piece of paper to the mouth of the air duct. Next, I will use a thermometer to check the temperature at the outlet of the air duct. You see, the temperature I measured is 30 degrees. Now I will put ice in the plastic bucket. Note: spread the ice evenly so that the air duct is coldest. I continued to use the thermometer to measure the temperature of the air duct. To my surprise, I measured 12 degrees at the duct opening. On the next measurement, I got the result of 16 degrees. Maybe I have to use my own hands to believe the results I get. You and I would admire the useful work I have done. What do you think about this machine? I am sure everyone needs it on hot days. The machine can generate 8 degrees C wind. Amazingly, in a very short time, we have created a very useful cold air blower for hot summer. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.